Tamil Nadu language war is only escalating. Home Minister Amit Shah, who was on a visit to Tamil Nadu amid language showdown, has hit out at Chief Minister Stalin, urging him to introduce medical and engineer curriculum in Tamil Nadu. Shah, who attended the Raising Day parade at CISF in Tamil Nadu, claimed that youth can now give CAPF exams in all languages. There was no place for mother tongue in CAPF exams before the Prime Minister. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin is already up in arms of the new education policy and delimitation. He blamed the Education Mantri for provoking a language war. He called the BJP signature campaign a circus. He said that British colonialism has been replaced by Hindi colonialism, which the state won't tolerate. BJP said that Stalin is fearing the 2026 state elections and is trying to divert attention from his misgovernance, also claiming that they received 2 lakh signatures in 36 hours. They further said that Stalin's fake Hindi imposition drama has now been exposed.
मैं आज तमिलनाडु की इस धरती से देश के भाषी भाषाओं में पढ़ने वाले हर युवा को एक बात जरूर बताना चाहता हूं। अब तक सीएपीएफ की भर्ती में आपकी मातृभाषा का स्थान नहीं था। आप बंगाली में सीएपीएफ की परीक्षा नहीं दे सकते थे, आप कन्नड़ में नहीं दे सकते थे, आप तमिल में भी नहीं दे सकते थे। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने निर्णय किया कि सभी 8वीं सूची की अनुसूची की भाषाओं में अब हमारे युवा परीक्षा दे पाएंगे। तमिलनाडु के युवा भी अब तमिल में परीक्षा दे पाएंगे।
3 language policy for the private institutions, why not for the government institutions? And why 3 language are taught by the institutions run by your ministers and chief minister's family? You are not answering. And you are telling we are imposing Hindi. We are repeatedly telling we are not imposing Hindi, only a 3rd language to be studied for better communication. The outdated chief minister, he is not updated. And he is not thinking about the recent development. He is not thinking about recent advancements.
We all know that the DMK in Tamil Nadu is worried about the 2026 elections. So this is not the only thing. They will raise all kinds of bogies to try and distract the people of Tamil Nadu from the last 9 years of malgovernance, the corruption, the rampant betrayal of the trust of the people of Tamil Nadu. So they will do everything that they will do to try and distract the people. And it is our duty as all my colleagues and fellow Karyakartas of the Tamil Nadu BJP and the All India BJP to make sure that their game does not succeed.